I'm Ruchi and I welcome you all to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new today. I'm going to share some home remedies for pimple and acne free skin. So let's get started. I have very normal to oily skin, and I'm staying in Dubai, so whenever I step out during the summertime it's always humid outside, so I get so many pimples and acne because of this humidity. So there are some tips or remedies which I have been following since long time on my skin, and I am very satisfied with this remedies, so I thought to share it with you all guys today. So let's get started. First of all, if you have too much acne or pimples on your skin or any kind of bacterial infection, then please do not rely on this kind of remedies only. You just consult your dermatologist and take proper treatment for your skin. Then you can definitely use this remedy during your normal routine skincare. Second, drink water as much as you can to keep your skin hydrated, because always remember there is no shortcut to any kind of remedies or any kind of problems. So you have to constantly take care of your skin whenever you are going out or whether you are at home. Drink too much water and also take proper sleep of at least 7 to 8 hours to avoid any kind of dark circles or any other skin problems. So today I'm going to show you one scrub with coffee, aloe vera gel and sugar, which will help you to open your pores. So our paste is ready now. I'm going to apply it. First of all, I'll put this shower cap. So yeah, it will not touch to my hair. Okay, you can cover your full face. Okay, so I have taken aloe vera gel, coffee and some sugar. So please keep some sugar chunks, so that will help you as a scrub. You can apply it as a scrub. If you don't have any brush or something, no need for some fancy brush also. You can directly apply it with your fingers. Gently rub it on your face. So now you can see that I have already applied the face mask on my face, and yeah, coffee that will help you to open your pores, and aloe vera gel that will help you to smooth, it will make your skin very smooth and very soft, and it will also moisturize your skin. And sugar that will help you to exfoliate your skin, so it will help to remove your dead skin. So this mask is very useful. So we'll wait for another 10 minutes and then I will wash my face. And yes, it will also help to tighten your skin. It will tighten your skin, so after some time you will feel little tight. Once this mask will getting dry, then we'll see the result after washing. So I washed my face and yeah, it looks so fresh and cold. Thanda, I'm feeling very cold now. I'm not going to remove this shower cap because now we are going to apply one face mask. So yes, your pores are open now and your skin is so clear. You can see the clear skin. So yeah, after that, second step is to apply face mask. Actually, turmeric itself has a quality as an antiseptic. It works as antiseptic. So whenever there is a cut or burn, you can apply this on directly. So when you are applying it with the paste on your face, like with the gram flour or something or curd, then if there is any pimple or acne, it will help you to remove this naturally, to not damage your skin. And yes, so I have totally covered my face with this mask. Now we will wait for another 10 minutes to let it dry and then I will clean it off. Okay, don't wait too much because otherwise your skin will be too much dry and it will be tight. So just wait for normal 7 to 10 minutes. In case if you have made some extra mask, then you can keep it or refrigerate it for like 2 days, maximum 2 days. You can keep it in your fridge, and then whenever you want to use it, just keep it outside for 10 to 15 minutes before use, and then add some water or some rose water also you can add, and then you use it. It will be again in paste form, and then you can use it. Now it's almost 10 minutes and my mask is totally dried. You can see it's dried here also, it's dried here also. I can literally feel it, my face is little bit tighter. So I'm going to wash it and show you the result. So I have washed my face now. You can see the result of these 2 face packs, like how it's. I still have one pimple and I am trying this face mask for this one pimple. I hope so within 1 week I will get the result. So yeah, let me remove. Okay, so this is my normal skincare routine. Okay, one more thing. Once you are done with all these face packs, just apply one normal regular moisturizer which you are using every day, just to moisturize. So I use this Sukin Oil Balancing Moisturizer Cream, which does not have any extra chemicals or fragrance. So I just apply it on my face twice a day, once in the morning and second at night before going to bed. As I told you, my skin is so oily. I need to use moisturizer which is good for oily skin. So this is really good moisturizing cream for oily skin. Yes, I'm all set. I hope you guys like my video, so please like, share, subscribe and comment your feedback on my channel, and I'll come with some more new videos next week. Bye, take care.